Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best patch kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for any cyclist, motorcyclist, or even those with wheelbarrows, offering a quick and reliable solution to unexpected punctures that can otherwise derail your plans and leave you stranded, making it an indispensable item for roadside emergencies and routine maintenance alike. Number 5. Slime 1022, a tube rubber patch kit. Don't let a flat tire slow you down. This kit provides a quick and easy solution for repairing punctures on various inflatables. It's perfect for ATVs, mowers, bicycles, and even wheelbarrows. You can use it on any tube or inflatable that needs a quick fix. Everything you need is included in this convenient 7-piece set. It comes with 5 durable rubber patches, a metal scuffer, and a tube of rubber cement. Among the patches, you'll find 2 1-inch diameter ones with a strong silver metal backing. These are designed for reliable and lasting repairs. This comprehensive kit has all the essentials to patch a leak effectively. It makes getting back on track simple and hassle-free. What we like. This compact kit is perfect for quick fixes on bike tubes or small inflatables. It includes everything needed for basic punctures. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss solution for common flats, this is an excellent choice to keep on hand. What people say. Number 4. Slime 2033 Rubber Patch Kit. Don't let a flat tire ruin your day. This kit provides a quick and easy solution for puncture-related repairs. It's perfect for ATVs, lawn mowers, bicycles, and even wheelbarrows. You can fix a wide range of rubber items with it. Inside, you'll find everything you need, 2 tubes of glue, 2 metal scuffers, and 56 patches. The patches come in various sizes, including both round and rectangular shapes, ensuring you have the right fit for any repair. It's incredibly easy to use and install. Full instructions are provided, making repairs straightforward for anyone. What we like. This extensive kit offers a huge variety of patches for all your rubber repair needs. With 56 patches and multiple sizes, it's a true bulk solution. If you have many items needing repair or frequently deal with punctures, this comprehensive kit will keep you well stocked. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source is empty. Number 3. Tier Aid Type B Vinyl Repair Kit. Got a tear in your vinyl? This kit provides an immediate solution for rips and holes. It's designed to fix a variety of vinyl-coated materials quickly and effectively. Specifically engineered for vinyl, it creates a strong, clear bond. You can trust it to repair items made from this durable material. From outdoor gear like tents and awnings to household items such as air mattresses, its versatility is unmatched. It handles a wide range of common repairs. Even your pool liners can be restored with ease. This reliable patch extends the life of many other vinyl products you own. The clear patch ensures your repairs are discreet and long-lasting. It blends seamlessly, providing a strong, almost invisible fix. What we like. This unique kit specializes in clear, durable repairs for vinyl-coated materials. Its clear patch ensures an almost invisible fix, maintaining aesthetics. If you need to repair tents, air mattresses, or pool liners and want a discreet, strong bond, this is your go-to. What people say. Number 2. PVC Stitch Liquid Patch, Air Mattress Patch Kit. Are your favorite inflatables constantly losing air? Finding a reliable and durable repair solution can be frustrating. This product offers a heavy-duty answer for all your patching needs. It's a unique liquid PVC that transforms into a permanent, strong patch once dry. No additional patches are required, making your repairs simple and incredibly effective. This transparent sealant blends seamlessly. This versatile sealant is perfect for inflatable boats, air mattresses, pools, and even hot tubs. It works on PVC and PU materials, ensuring a wide range of applications. You can use it on rafts, kayaks, and SUPs too. It provides a waterproof, UV-resistant, and temperature-resistant seal. This ensures greater damage resistance and high adhesion, even in harsh outdoor environments. It's compatible with all types of water. First, deflate your inflatable completely and ensure the repair area is dry and clean. Then, cover the rip evenly with it, avoiding thin layers. Your item will be ready in just 2 hours, reaching maximum strength for high pressure in 6 hours. Don't let a small tear ruin your adventures. This easy-to-handle solution quickly repairs your gear, from waterbeds to bounce houses. It ensures you're back to enjoying your outdoor activities in no time. What we like. This liquid PVC patch creates a permanent, heavy-duty seal without needing separate patches. It's waterproof and UV resistant, ideal for high-pressure inflatables. If you own inflatable boats, kayaks, or hot tubs and need an extremely durable, long-lasting repair, this liquid solution is incredibly effective. What people say. Number 1. AquaPro Liquid Patch Waterproof Repair Kit. Is your favorite inflatable leaking? This kit is your go-to solution for quick and effective repairs on PVC boats, rafts, and paddle boards. It brings your gear back to life, ready for adventure. Beyond watercraft, it's perfect for above-ground pools, hot tubs, and even air mattresses. You can fix a wide range of outdoor and water gear with this versatile product. This heavy-duty sealant is designed to withstand saltwater, UV rays, and extreme temperatures. It provides a strong, durable, and water-resistant bond that lasts. Repairing is easy. Just deflate your item, clean the area, and apply the sealant evenly. For larger tiers, use the included cord for extra strength. No long waits. Your repaired item will be ready for use in just 2 hours at room temperature. Get back to enjoying your gear faster. Specifically formulated for PVC and PU materials, this kit ensures a reliable patch. It includes a 20 ml tube of transparent sealant and a PVC mesh cord for comprehensive repairs. Don't let a small tear ruin your fun. This transparent, high-adhesion solution helps you easily maintain and extend the life of your valuable outdoor equipment. What we like. This advanced liquid patch kit includes a PVC mesh cord for reinforcing larger tiers, making it incredibly strong. It's also saltwater ready, perfect for marine applications. If you're repairing serious damage on inflatable boats, SUPs, or other gear exposed to harsh outdoor or marine conditions, this robust kit provides superior strength and durability. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.